the general aspect of our proposal funded by MANA, and some preliminary results of the outcome variables that we have in our research. Considering decision making is difficult to observe and measure. With the research, we want to observe and expect to provide evidence and testing new methodologies to measure intrafamily dynamics. So we can better understand the key factors in the decision-making process, especially the ones related with food consumption and diet diversity. There are some specific questions that we want to respond. The first two are related with the effects that have the income levels and the change in the income levels over food diversity, and the effect of the nutrition information over food diversity. The third question that we want to answer is if households in which women have higher empowerment have different consumption patterns compared with households where women are less empowered. We implement our study in Guatemala because this is an interesting case of double burden malnutrition. Guatemala has around 50% of the highest prevalent stunting in Latin America and around 50% of overweight in women in reproductive age. We implement the study in two sites, one with a strong indigenous influence in the West, and one with a white and mestizo population in the east part of the country. Our methods have we collect several kind of tools. One are related with household level information. In this survey, we collect information related with household composition, land tenure, labor, production, poverty, and food diversity indicators. And at the individual level, we collect information related with anthropometric measures, and we implement the short version of the Women Empowerment Agricultural Index, and we implement two kind of games. One related with food choices, another related with labor preference. Okay. At the household level, we collect 250 observations, and at the individual level, we collect 500 observations. Okay, with the food choice game, we want to measure how food decisions vary with income changes and nutritional information. We will to analyze the difference between men and women and relate this to household nutrition. How the game works. As we present during the metrics fair, first the men and women play separate across three different income levels. 50 quetzales is around $7, 75 quetzales around $10, and 100 quetzal, that is around $14. And they are exposed to two combinations. One, they can choose only food products, and in the other combination, they can choose food and non-food products. Then they play the game